MXPRO network port debugging. Prepare a network cable to connect the computer and the inkjet printer host. Then in Network and Internet, find an SNet. It will show an unidentified network. Then find IP allocation, click Edit. Change Automatic to Manual. Open IPv4. The IP address, subnet mask, and gateway here are set according to local conditions. You can fill in the preferred DNS at will. Then click Save and it's done. Then open the Network Debugging Assistant. The first item here selects a TCP server. In this way, the computer acts as a server. The IP address is the same as the setting on the computer just now. The default localhost port is fine. Then on the host, open the System Settings. Click Network. Select as Client. Here, the 192.168.1 in front of server IP remains unchanged, and the number behind it needs to be changed. This server port is the same as the settings on the computer. Gateway and net mask are the same as those on the computer. After setting, click Apply. On the computer side, click Open. After opening, we can see here that the client list will be displayed. Because there is only one client now, there is no need to change it. It is the place where we connect, then change ASCII to hex in turn. Then the printer host will prompt server connected. OK, now let's create a file, such as a text. Click Advanced and open External Data. Click External Data Manager. Select Serial Port. Then save it. Load the file just now. Then send data according to the protocol content on the computer. You can see that the content on the printer host is changing.